Okay, dito ko ba i-record? Ayan. Again guys, hello. Let's start na. Pag-usapan natin on how you will start your forex trading journey. And kahit you are an OFW or you're doing business, maybe you're studying, still if you have that desire in your heart to learn this skill, I believe wala pong makakapigil sa taong may willingness to learn. Would you agree with me? 'Di ba? As long kahit sobrang busy mo pa, kahit anong ginagawa mo pa ngayon, the fact that you are here, I salute you guys because you are the people na I'm pretty sure malayo yung maaabot sa trading journey nila. Bakit? Just by showing up here means you wanted to grow in life. You wanted to learn and you are hungry for learnings. All right? Kaya congratulations ahead sa inyo. And if I may ask guys, no, can you comment down kung saan country kayo ngayon at kung sino yung nagbigay sa inyo ng link dito sa Zoom? Ayan. UAE. Wow, we're flying to Dubai hopefully by next month. We hope to see you there. Canada, Saudi, ayan, Canada, Jeddah, Bahrain, Oman, ayan, Qatar, Saudi, Kuwait, New Zealand. Wow, Dubai, KSA, marami. Thank you. Thank you for, yan, nagkasunod yung mga taga Kuwait, Muscat, Oman, by Facebook. Thank you, no? And if you're someone who is invited by a friend, congratulations kasi that means that person is really concerned, no? Or maybe he's just sharing something na natutuwa na din siya na pasukin, no? Ang importante dito is legit yung pag-uusapan natin at no, walang halong mga hocus pocus, kundi matututo ka talaga. Okay? All right. So, let me start. Just keep the comments coming in guys, wala pong problema yan, but I will give time later on for instruction for Q&A. Okay? Kaya kung may mga tanong man kayo in the middle of may mga ano kung may mga tanong kayo, pwede mamaya na lang ha para mas madali nating matapos to kasi I believe busy pa kayo. No, I don't wanna waste your time any further na. Importante, brief, concise at matuto talaga tayo. And it's already 12:02 AM here. I'm in the Philippines right now. So medyo madaling araw na din. But this is what we do. No, we would love to share what we are doing with you guys. All right. So, let's start na. Let me pull up my slides lang guys para at least makapagsimula na tayo at makita nyo yung mga dapat natin matutunan. And guys, I encourage you to please stay until the end kasi marami akong good news na i-share sa inyo. Mas matututo kayo guys kung tatapusin nyo. Bitin yung in the middle, mawawala kayo bigla. Make sure na nakapaghanap kayo ng magandang internet connection kasi in the middle of my sharing or training right now, we will lock the Zoom meeting. Baka mawala ka bigla. Okay? So, ayan. Alright. Let me pull up my slide. Alright. There you go. Is this clear with you guys? Can you comment number 1? Can you comment number 1 if it's clear with you? Alright. Thank you so much guys sa pag-confirm na it's seen. Okay. So again, I welcome you to our intro to forex trading and cheat codes, no? So guys, sino ba tong community right now nagsi-share sa inyo, no? By the way, we are Pinoy Traders Community, no? We are headed by Coach Nars Paragoya, and also guys, I am one of his leaders and co-founder din sa community na to guys. And just recently, last August, we held our first ever big event na face-to-face dito po sa Cagayan de Oro. So, sobrang ganda lang kasi kahit po mga andito sa Cagayan de Oro, nasa Mindanao, natututo na rin, no? But don't worry, kasi baka sabihin mo right now, gusto ko face-to-face. You know what? I totally understand you kasi ever since when I started, I would love to have someone to teach me na talaga andyan sa harapan ko. But you know what? just to give you an FYI, 90 to 95% po ng nasa community natin are OFW. So maraming kumikita kahit online lang silang natututo and mas accessible siya. Kasi bakit global yung scope natin at pwedeng i-replay lahat ng mga sessions, 'di ba? Kasi kung one-on-one, hindi mo talaga ma-record lahat ng mapag-uusapan. Kaya this means that our community is really growing right now, no, internationally. And we are very happy na andito kayo ngayon, okay? Now, guys, just a quick background about myself, no? So, IT po yung background ko, natapos ko. And I've been an entrepreneur ever since, right after graduation, nagnenegosyo na po. Napasok po ako sa forex trading. Simply because, sino dito would agree with me na pagsasabihin mong forex may pera? 'Di ba? Eventually, as I was doing business, may ekstrang pagkakakitaan, may ekstrang savings din. So, ang nangyayari, naghahanap tayo ng pera, we let money work for us. Okay? Sige, mag-invest lang ako para mas lumaki pa yung pera ko. It ends up, no? Ends up, guys, na scam pala yung napasukan ko. Okay? So, congratulations sa mga may experience na sa scam dito. Kaya andito ka ngayon dahil diyan pasalamatan mo na lang 'yon. Bakit tinatawanan ko na lang 'yon, guys? Kasi it's a blessing in disguise for me na a friend of mine shared with me this something trader, no, na magaling daw sa forex, something like that. Magbibigay lang daw kami ng pera tapos we get an interest only to find out. Grabe yun, guys, bago yung Kapa, kasi yung Kapa kung taga Mindanao ka malabong hindi mo narinig yun, eh. So, dami. Actually, ang nangyari, it turns out na umalis yung master trader kunwari 'no, pero yun nga, it's sad but somehow it's a blessing. Bakit? Bakit siya blessing? Simply because dun ko nalaman na legit pala si forex. It's just that may mga tao lang na nagte-take advantage for it to be a scam, 'di ba? Marami ba kayong mga marami namang katulad ni crypto, legit naman, pero may mga tao at platforms lang talaga na ginagamit just to take advantage of it para mang-scam. So be very very careful, guys, okay? I highly respect those traders that they get funds out from their friends, family, whatsoever. Pero, 'di ba, instead ibigay mo yung pera mo do'n, ikaw na lang matuto. Kaya andito tayo ngayon, okay? Kaya guys, isa din po ako sa founder ng Madiscarded Pinoy Community and right now Traders Nation PH. Kaya the goal here is to really spread awareness, to educate Filipinos na kahit isa man lang o dalawa sa pamilya, every Filipino family will know about this, na hindi na tayo magiging, sorry for the word, ignorante, para hindi na tayo mascam pa. Okay? Now, next, ito po yung hugot ko po sa buhay, no, yung family ko. Bakit ko po sinishare to? Simply because when you are starting, eto na, simula na to sa forex trading journey mo, I'm pretty sure you can't forget this, no? Ito yung first time mo probably. So, friendly reminder lang. Always know your reason and remember your reason why you started. And these are the people, this is my family. Sila yung naging rason ko to really learn about this. Kasi honestly, guys, if you're an OFW, nakakapagod na kaya. If you're an entrepreneur, nakakapagod na. Mag-learn pa ako ng ibang skill, 'di ba? Nagtatrabaho pa ako dito. Ngayon, you may give a lot of excuses, but remember, guys, forex is a high paying skill that can really change the story of your family. And sila yung rason kung bakit ko pa talaga pinupush yung sarili ko. Kasi my father is an OFW and my mother is a public school teacher. Guys, maka-count lang sa hindi naman sa daliri. Pero I think once a year lang umuwi tatay ko, may minsan pa once in 2 years. Grabe yung sakripisyo niya. And imagine if I decided to go abroad, My brother is licensed engineer. Imagine mo kung mag-a-abroad kaming lahat. Natanong ko talaga sa sarili ko, kailan kaya kami mabubuo dahil sa pera? Was there a time kung marami kasi yung nakitang OFW kanina eh. Was there a time na tanong mo sa sarili mo na hanggang kailan ako dito sa abroad na kaya kong isakripisyo yung oras ko para lang sa pera? And you know what? That thing really, yun yung nag-push sa akin. Kasi I tell you, I have a younger sister, sorry to say this, no? I really need to share this with you guys kasi time is really, really important. Pag naubos yung oras, pag game over na, hindi na kaya yan bilhin ng milyon. Ba't ko nasabi yan? My father was still in Saudi Arabia. May nangyari po sa kapatid ko na hindi maganda. Nagsama na sila ni Lord, no? And she was very young. My sister's very young, 6 years old. Umuwi tatay ko dito, nawala na yung kapatid ko. And that was the very painful moment that ever happened to us. Until now, grabe, no? That's still very fresh with me. Pero, yun sabi ko sa inyo, bakit ko na-share siya? Papasok ka na dito, no turning back na. No? Lakasan mo yung loob mo kasi pwedeng mabago yung buhay mo talaga dito. And good news kasi guys, meron tayong mga kasama dito. May narinig ako na isa, no? Isa na nag-resign na dahil sa pagfo-forex trading. And this year, he is going to celebrate Christmas with his family. Kaya palakpakan natin 'yan. All right. So, thank you, thank you. Grabe, no? Medyo first time kong na-share 'yan sa ganitong event. All right. Now, guys, we do not accept any investment here, ha? So, klarong-klaro lang po tayo na hindi po tayo kung meron pong magsasabi na I am MJ Canoy, magpasabay trade ka, padalhan mo ako ng pera, ako yung magte-trade sa inyo, or anyone from the community, we don't do that. Okay? Kung meron man, please message us. Please message Coach Nars or yung mga coaches kasi hindi po tayo nagpapasabay trade. Okay? What we do, we educate people, we let them know what it is, yung basics, lahat-lahat, ano yung platform, para alam nyo na, kayo na yung matuto, hindi nyo na ipamigay yung pera nyo sa ibang tao, which is very risky. Okay? So, klarong-klaro tayo dyan, ha? Anyways, next, okay, dalawa yung part na pag-uusapan natin, guys, no? Sa Forex na basics and sa cheat codes. So again, may mga tanong ako later on, tulad ngayon. I hope you can engage with me. So para guys, mag-gauge ko din yung isi-share ko sa inyo tonight. So first question, Forex, is it risky or not? Sa tingin nyo, yes or sige nga. Ayan, alright. Si Dennis nagre-reklamo. Grabe ka naman, Dennis. Wow. Sinishare ko yon again, no? Because hindi lang po trading yung pag-uusapan natin sa Forex. Kasama po yung psychology. Kaya marami pong hindi nagtatagumpay sa Forex kasi nga gusto strategy pero hindi malakas yung loob. Naku po, eto na, simula na tayo. Maraming mga ganitong mga audience tayo. Ayan, thank you sa mga nagko-comment. Risky, risky. All right, yes. I have to be transparent with you guys. It's very risky. Kaya if you're someone na mahina yung loob mo, this is not for you. If you are like someone here na you are very impatient, wala kang patience, nako po, this is not for you. Okay? Kung gusto mo, nagmamadali kang yumaman, again, this is not for you because Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay? Now, pero Forex is so very, very rewarding. Guys, ako, guilty ako sa sinabi ko kanina na sino dito yung mga impatient? Kita mo naman sa mga nagko-comment dito, nagmamadali na, di ba? Now, guys, honestly, wala akong patience when I started this. Gusto ko nang yumaman agad. But guys, sabi ko talaga, if kaya kong kumita ng milyon dito, which is happening right now by God's grace, I have to learn it by process. And guys, honestly, no, just to Sa mga OFW, kaya bilib na bilib ako sa inyo. Sobrang saludo po ako sa inyo. Kasi bakit? Going abroad is still a risk. May risk yan. Would you agree with me? Hindi mo alam kung sino yung nag-aantay sa'yo doon. Hindi mo alam kung yung boss mo okay ba, yung lugar okay ba, wala bang problem, okay lang ba din yung family mo. Pero question, why did you still took the chance to go abroad? Kahit alam mo napakahirap iwan ng pamilya mo. Kahit alam mo may risk siya. Kasi alam mo, it's gonna be rewarding. Pwedeng mabago yung ng pera na kikitain mo doon, yung kung saan mag-aaral yung anak mo, 'di ba? Maraming pwedeng mangyari. So, same thing here, no? I believe sa mga OFW, this is really fit for you, no? Kasi grabe yung risk sa iyo eh. Risk taker ka. So, why not? Why not, no? Deep dive, aralin mo para mas maging rewarding tayo dito. Alright? So guys, ito yung reason din na maraming pumapasok sa forex trading pero hindi nagtatagal. Did you know that 95% of the new traders fail? Ano yung reason? Number one, insufficient education and knowledge. Okay? Yung mga nagmamadaling matuto, no? Minsan nakita lang na overwhelm agad, ginawang sugal, no? Si forex trading. You don't do that way, guys, no? Kaya I highly encourage you to learn this the proper way. No, wag tayong magmadali, no? Kaya ngayon, 'di ba? Nagmamadali na nga ako. Meron pang mga nagrereklamo diyan. Mahilig sa shortcut, tama si Miss Gemma, no? So, guys, please lang po, no? Learn it the right way. Huwag kang magmadali, huwag kang mag-shortcut, no? Para hindi ka masali sa 95% ng mga traders na hindi nag-succeed dahil dito. Okay? So, is forex trading legit? Yes naman. Did you know, guys, na kung walang forex, hindi magfo-flourish yung international transactions kasi it's the buy and sell of currencies. Diyan, dahil po sa mga imports, exports, mas napapadali dahil po sa forex. No, yung mga businesses cross borders abroad, yan po yung rason kung bakit mas napapadali, no? So it's more of the money, the currencies of each country. So ano bang currencies na yan? If you're in the US, that's USD. If you're in Canada, that's Canadian dollars. If you are in the Philippines, PHP, 'di ba? So, guys, pag mawawala na si Forex, I believe so. That's gonna be the end of our siguro World War 3 na yan, guys. Or probably crypto na lahat o digital currency na lahat, 'di ba? So as long as merong currency per country, guys, imagine buhay na buhay po si Forex. Okay? Now, is Forex gambling? Yes or no? Haram ba to? Yes or no? Guys, hindi po gambling si Forex. Okay? Now, nagiging gambling siya kasi may mga tao na pumapasok sa Forex na walang kaalam-alam, nagbabay at nagsesell lang, tapos naghuhulalisis lang. Okay? Sa Forex po, it's a strategic risk. Okay? Tumataas ang certain pair of currencies kasi may economic data na basis, may mga volumes of buyers and sellers, no, na reason kung bakit siya gumagalaw. So, kailangan ng proper knowledge, kailangan ng certain strategies, and ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang risk management. Alright? So, napaka-importante niyan, guys, ha. Hindi to puro hula-hula lang. Nakita mo lang na nag-green, nag-buy ka. Nakita mo lang na nag-red, nag-sell ka na agad, 'di ba? So, nagiging sugal na siya kung wala kang logical basis sa ginagawa mong trade. Okay? Klaro tayo dyan. Gambling, it's purely on luck, no? Forex, it's more of strategic risk. Okay? Now, bakit maganda si Forex? Simply because it's digital. Did you know, guys, before 90s, only ang allowed sa Forex market are the big banks. Okay? Now, pagpasok ng 90s, doon na pumasok yung mga institutional traders, no? Yung malaking traders na din. And late 90s to early 2000s, napaka-bless natin kasi doon na pumasok ang mga retail traders, which is tayo yon, individual traders. Ang ganda lang guys kasi nasamahan natin na napasok tayo sa time na nag-evolve na din yung I mean digital world, 'di ba? May mga cellphones na ganyan. At aside from that, 'di ba? Ngayon lahat may cellphone na. Ngayon lahat may internet na. You can do it sa cellphone mo. You can do it sa laptop mo. Dito ba kailangan pwede ba cellphone lang? Yes, pwedeng-pwede. And guys, imagine this. It's a pandemic-proof business. It's a buy and sell business na online mo lang siyang gagawin. Ang kagandahan, you can do it anytime, anywhere. Flexible yung lifestyle. Okay? So, kahit nasa bakasyon ka, kahit kasama yung pamilya mo, pwede kang kumita through forex trading. Okay? And number 3, low startup cost. Alam nyo ba dati guys, akala ko talaga yung mayayaman lang yung pwedeng mag-forex trading. Sino dito would agree with me na akala ko dati dapat malaking kapital? 'Di ba? Ay, pangmayaman lang 'yan, 'di ba? Pag sasabihin mong forex, ay wala ako niyan, 'di ba? You know what, guys? You can start even for as low as $100 dito. Hindi 1,000 guys, $100. Magkano 'yan? Nasa 5,000 pesos. So that's a good way to go. 100 to $200. Low startup cost, okay? So naklaro na natin 'yan. So pwedeng-pwede pala dito, no? Number 4, high earning potential. When you say high earning potential, okay, ang maganda dito guys, yung $100 mo, if medyo high risk yan, kaya yan as in lumaki ng lumaki. Alam nyo ba, may student ako na she started, inaral niya ng 2 months, almost 2 months, papakita ko sa inyo yung conversation namin. Inaral niya ng for almost 2 months, nag-demo muna siya. Then later on, yung $100 niya naging $2,000. Can you just imagine? In just 3 days time. Okay? Pero guys, don't worry kasi may tamang risk-reward ratio naman. Yun siya medyo mataas yung risk appetite niya. Aside from that guys, alam nyo ba, may mga kasama tayo dito. Kumikita lang naman ng 100,000, 200,000, 50,000, hindi isang buwan, hindi isang linggo, isang gabi o isang araw lang naman. Ganun po kalaki. May iba dito, 800,000, 3 araw lang, habang nasa bahay lang, yung iba na nagbabakasyon, nasa Bali, di ba? Pero ganun siya kalaki yung potential na kitaan. Okay? And, ito yung pinakamaganda. No experience needed. Ako guys, guilty ako dito. Nung nakita ko to dati, ay hindi para sa akin yan kasi hindi ako matalino sa math. Ay hindi para sa akin yan kasi wala akong 3 monitors. Napakamahal nun. Kailangan pa talaga aralin, so and so, 'di ba? Dami kong excuses dati. Baka ikaw 'yon, no, na nakikinig. Now, guys, hindi kailangan matalino ka dito. Okay? Hindi kailangan na 3 yung monitors mo, may PC setup ka talaga. As long as you have the willingness to learn all those things na kailangan mong aralin, pwede ka dito. Okay? Pwede ka dito. Basta you are hungry for learning. Okay? Now, okay, ayan. Alright, proceed tayo guys. What is Forex? Okay? So, Forex stands for foreign exchange. Okay? Now, okay guys, it's the buying and selling of currencies. Okay? So, kung ito yung pinakasimple na pinakasimple siya na example. Ayan. If you're coming from the US and papasok ka dito sa Pinas, you cannot use your dollars to buy groceries here. Kailangan mo siyang papalitan. Same thing that's gonna happen if you're going abroad, coming here from the Philippines. And even banks, yung mga money exchange, ito yung traditional way of foreign exchange. So yung simple spread and gap dun guys, dun kumikita si banks, dun kumikita yung mga mga money exchange, no? So, pero dito sa atin, global lang to kasi ito na yung worldwide na market. Online natin siyang ginagawa. And did you know guys, sa financial market kasi merong crypto, merong stocks, ano pa ba? Merong bonds, treasury. And alam nyo ba, of all those, ang pinakamalaki is si Forex. As at the moment guys, we are talking at around 7.3 to 7.5 trillions of dollars being traded every day. Kasi guys, global market siya. And it's the most liquid business in the whole world. Ibig sabihin, sabi ko nga, yung laki, labas, pasok ng pera, sobrang laki. Kaya be very careful when someone tells you about you wanna trade in forex trading, tapos bibigyan ka lang ng monthly interest, tapos i-hold mo lang yung pera doon. Guys, if legit yung platform mo, which is kami, ang ginagamit natin sa community natin is MT5, alright? So guys, ang maganda dyan is if legit yan, you can withdraw anytime, deposit anytime. Kabahan ka na pag sasabihin sa'yo na kailangan i-deposit mo muna for a month bago ka kumita, no? Tapos wala kang gagawin na trade, tapos kikita ka. Nako po, be very careful with that. Okay? So, wag po tayong magtiwala kahit kanino. Okay? Now, it operates 24/5. Bakit po? May 4 po na sessions si Forex. Okay? Sige nga, tulungan niyo ako. Merong New York session, merong Tokyo or Asian session, merong London session or the Europe session, and yung isang session, ano sa tingin nyo? Yung na-miss out ko, yung isang session pa. Meron bang may alam dito? I believe it's the Sydney or Australian session. So, bakit siya 24/5? The time na magko-close yung isang market, mag-o-open na naman yung ibang market. So maraming maraming times na pwede kang mag-trade, okay? However, hindi lang siya available on the weekend except for CFDs, yung mga BTC USD, ayan, Bitcoin paired with currency. So may mga ganun po tayo. And it's also available in any smart devices, okay? Again guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, napaka-blessed natin. Kasi yung allowed lang talaga, no, sa forex market before are the governments, the central banks, financial institutions. But right now, napakaswerte natin kasi nasabayan natin yung era na allowed na yung individual traders or the retail traders. All right? So next, parang buy and sell business lang siya guys, no? Parang very basic. May ano ka, may currency ka, bumili ka at a lower price, ibebenta mo at a higher price. Okay? Same thing lang din siya. Okay? Now, guys, aside from that, no? Parang ganito siya. Kung meron kang $1,000, few years ago ha, nung time na 50 pa. Ilang ano na ba? Kailan ba last na naalala niyo na 50 pesos pa si dollar? But right now, if you have 56 to 58, no? 56 to 58 pesos na ngayon at meron kang $1,000, that's gonna be how much? At least meron kang 6,000 to 8,000 pesos. Pinatulog mo lang yung pera mo, bumili ka lang ng dollar at 50 pesos, ngayon nasa 6,000 to 8,000 na yung pesos in profit, 'di ba? So sobrang ganda. Yun yung traditional way of forex trading, okay? However, if the price goes down sa traditional way, hindi ka kikita. Kasi bakit? Binili mo ng mataas, tapos kunwari nabili mo ng at 50, naging 49, naging 48, ibebenta mo, lugi ka. However guys, when you say in the global market, okay, in the global market, we have two positions to take advantage, okay? Ano ba to? You can do a screenshot on this guys ha, para at least maalala nyo lang, scroll nyo when you have the time. We have the buy position and the sell position, okay? Yung iba guys, medyo nalilito, no? Pag green ba, buy na agad. Pag sell, pag pula ba, sell na agad. No. Buying or other term for it is bullish, okay? Bakit bull? Kasi yung bull guys, yung character niya is nanungunungag siya, 'di ba? So paakyat, no? Now, that means you are forecasting that the market will go up. Ayos ba tayo dyan? Okay? Again, pag buy, you are forecasting that the market is going up. Okay? Pag sell naman, you are forecasting that the market is going down. Okay? Guys, again, B for buy, S for sell, going up, going down. Klaro tayo ha, mamaya magtatanong ako sa inyo para at least matulungan nyo din ako. So these are the forex major currency pairings. As you notice guys, ito yung mostly traded na mga currencies. And most of them are paired with USD talaga. Napaka-powerful din talaga ni USD, no? Now, another terms to screenshot and remember, we have the take profit and the stop loss, okay? So guys, take profit no kung kanina nag-buy ka or nag-sell ka. Eto another order na naman to, no? Na pag na-hit niya yung order mo na TP or take profit, kahit naglalaba ka, kahit busy ka, once na set up mo na yung take profit mo or yung TP mo, automatic mag-close yan, profit ka na. Okay? Same thing with stop loss, no? Si stop loss din, it's an order na once ma-reach yung order na yan, nag-buy ka, nag-sell ka, tapos yung forecast mo is hindi ayon doon, no? 'Di ba, nag-buy ka, tapos nag-sell bigla, bumaliktad yung market, at least calculated mo na din yung losses mo. MJ, may losses pa din ba dito? Yes. Okay? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, I have to remind you guys, pwede kang matalo talaga dito. Okay? Bakit guys? Hindi natin kontrolado si market. Kung meron mang makakapagsabi dito na wala pa siyang talo, grabe yung panalo niya, naku po, tumakbo ka na. It's very impossible. Why? Hindi mo talaga makokontrol yung galaw ng market. Kasi guys, maraming nagtitrade dyan. May mga bangko, may katayo, retail traders, mga institutional traders. So, kaya gumagalaw paakyat at pababa kasi sa volume ng bumibili at nagbebenta. Kaya nga market. Ano ba yung market sa inyo guys? Forex market. Ano yung term na market sa inyo? Sa amin kasi sa Bisaya, merkado. Sa inyo ba? Can you type there? Can you type ano yung market sa inyo? 'Di ba sa market may buying and selling? Yun po basically yung nangyayari. Hello guys, are you still here? Can you comment palengke? Ayan, thank you Miss Gemma. How about the others? Ano yung term sa inyo ng merkado or market? Can you comment down? Merkado din. Okay, bakala. Wow, first time kong narinig yun. Yung iba siguro talipapa. Di ba? Bigala, yan, mga terms, ayan. So, tabu, tiyangge, yan, pwede, no? So, bakit siya forex market? Kasi may buyer and may seller. Tabuan, yan, gusto ko yan, tabo, di ba? Shop, yan, pwede. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment. Utangan, grabe naman yan, sir. Pamilihan, okay, pwede. Eto guys, can you help me out with this? Uh, what do you think the trader took on this trade? Is it a buy position or a sell position? Type B for buy, S for sell sa tingin nyo. B for buy, S for sell. Ano kaya yung tinake or ano yung position ni trader dito? Can you comment down? B for buy, S for sell. Ayan. How about the others? Wow, grabe. Umabot na pala tayo ng 104. Ang dami natin ngayon. Thank you so much sa mga nag-tune in until now. Ayan, grabe. Napakatalino ng mga student kayo, ha. Very attentive. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, tama yung sabi nyo. It's a buy. Why? As you can see here, probably merong logical or may mga patterns or mga candlestick nag-candlestick read yung ano dito, yung trader na dito siya nag-entry ng buy. So at price 1.098554. So itong time na to guys, hindi pa na to nakikita ni trader. So fino-forecast niya pa lang. Pero sinet niya na yung take profit, ito yung TP1 at saka ito yung TP2. So ang nangyari dito guys, nung dumating na to, nung na-reach na to ng candlestick na to dito, ang take profit na si trader. Eto naman, nag-take profit to na si trader. However, just in case, whatever happens, nag-against siya sa position ni trader, calculated na din ni trader yung losses niya. Okay? So, naset niya na lahat yan. At the same time, guys, to easily understand this one, okay? To easily understand this one, pag basic lang to guys, may mga advanced na, pero I want you to remember this. pag buy yung position na tinitake nyo and it's going up, no? Pag buy yung tinake nyo na position, ang TP is nasa taas. Yung SL naman is nasa baba. Okay? Same thing with sell position. Si sell position, yung TP niya is nasa baba, yung SL niya is nasa taas. Okay? So, I hope it's clear with you guys. Ayos tayo dyan. Now, these are the types of market analysis. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na hindi siya hula-hula lang, hindi yung tipong ay nakita ko lang umakyat kaya nag-buy ako. Ay nakita ko lang na biglang ramdam ko lang na pababa na kaya nag-sell ako. It's not that, no? Meron siyang analysis. And these are basically the three na basis natin doon sa analysis na yon. Number one, it can be sentimental. Basic lang guys, mararamdaman ng buyers and sellers yan. Okay? Mararamdaman ng trader na lang, no? Para at least madali yung maramdaman, maalala. Pwede siyang ganito. Gawin nating example, malapit na si Christmas. Alam natin at ramdam natin na mas in control ang mga sino? Ang mga airlines pag Christmas kasi mataas yung plane tickets dyan. Tama ba? So, sino yung mas may in control? Si seller or si buyer? Si seller talaga. Mataas yung pricing niyan pag Christmas kasi yung plane ticket, yun talaga yung time na babawi sila. Would you agree with me? That's more of sentimental, no? Mararamdaman mo talaga yan. Magi-gauge mo yan. More of the fundamental, guys. Once fundamental yung basis mo din, it's more of economic data. Alam mo yung mga economic data na yan? That's more of the interest rates, yung mga employment rate nila, kung ano yung nangyayari sa bansang yan. Kung ngayon, sa Pilipinas, ibibase natin, nako po, sobrang down. Sobrang din, 'di ba? Hindi siya maganda yung nangyayari especially sa mga issues right now, no? So, yun yung basis niya. And you can see that may mga websites na available na yung mga news na yan. Okay? Hindi nyo na po isa-isang isa-search yan kung kamusta yung country na yan. But meron na pong mga scheduled news for it. And pinakamalaking impact dyan guys, yung mga CPI, ano pa ba? Yung mga ano pa ba guys, yung mga ano nyo, CPI, NFP, 'di ba? And be very careful. Ito yung mga tinatawag na high impact news. Yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina na NFP, CPI, those are high impact news. Can you comment down HIN? HIN. Can you comment HIN? Ayan, para alam ko lang, no? Para tumatak din sa inyo. The more we repeat terms here, the more yung maalala, guys. Trust me. HIN. So, yung mga HIN yan, guys, ito yung mga pula-pula. High impact news. Be very careful. Don't trade on those. Kasi napaka-volatile. Anong ibig sabihin ko dyan? Biglang nag-buy, biglang bumaba, sell. In a split second lang, pwedeng ganon pag may mga high impact news. Alright? Now, sa technical analysis naman, this is more of basing your decision making or your analysis by just looking at the charts. Okay? Yung mga entry and exit mo, naghahanap ka ng mga patterns, ng mga volumes, ito yung nakikita nyo. Okay? So, every movement niyan guys, may reason yan at may explanation yan. Okay? Every candlestick, may story yan. Makikita nyo dyan yung resistance, yung support and resistance zone wherein dun lang umaakyat at bumababa yung pricing on a certain pair. So may mga breakout, retest entry, ayan, double bottom, may mga turns tayo na kailangan i-familiarize in as much, no? Kasi bakit? Etong mga patterns na to guys, etong may kita nyo ng mga candlesticks, it can help you decide even better kasi may basis na siya. Yan yung mag-guide sa'yo para mataas yung profitability mo dito sa mga trades mo. Just like for example, eto si bullish rectangle. Pag nakita mo na yung ganitong pattern, it's a sign that the market is going up. Head and shoulders naman, pag ganito, 'di ba? It's a bearish pattern. So ibig sabihin, ang tendency ng market is talagang bababa. Okay? So, kailangan nating ifa-familiarize yan. Now, guys, are you still alive? Sa tingin nyo, complicated ba? Yes or no? Just be honest. Complicated ba si Forex? Ano sa tingin nyo? Complicated ba? Yes or no? Yes, yes. Thank you for being honest. Meron iba, how about the others, guys? I think madali lang to sa iba. Ayan, yes po. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Okay, thank you for your honesty. Guys, meron pa dito, very complicated. Pero excited to learn about this. Wow, I love the attitude ni Jalal. Wow. Now, guys, yes, it can be very, very complicated. I tell you, I kid you not. Talagang kung hindi kayo hindi kayo willing to undergo sa process, it can be very complicated. However, that's the purpose din na mag-uusap tayo ngayon. Kasi kung ano yung trading few years ago, it's totally different now. Sobrang kung ano yung trading 2018, yes, parehas lang ng foundations, ganyan. Pero this time, mas na-excite ako, guys. I'll share to you later. No? Nung tinanong sa akin to, do you want an easier solution? Yes, sino ba namang ayaw, 'di ba? Guys, Ayun, alright. Thank you so much, Sir Slow Jow. Wow, grabe. Challenging. Actually, guys, nawala yung connection ko and napasa sa ibang host yung ano, yung admin Feli. I'm gonna make you a co-host as well ha para ano, ayan, sa ibang admin natin. Ayan. Sorry guys, I apologize. Sorry talaga, hindi namin ine-expect yung interruption na yon. Ayan. Thank you, admin Feli, naka-co-host ka na. All right. So guys, bilisan natin, no? Kasi I'm pretty sure you've waited na din. Thank you so much for waiting. Ayan, ayan. Okay. Medyo challenging lang yung ano natin, no? So, ayan, let's proceed. Okay. So, pag-usapan natin yung cheat codes, okay? By the way, si Coach Nars is my long-time mentor, no, sa business na din. And he also has this student na yung name is Edsel. Actually, guys, na ano siya, na interview siya sa RDR Talks and maniniwala ba kayo if I tell you na yung 26 million lang naman niya na utang is nabayaran niya? Dahil po sa forex trading. Grabe, no? 26 million. Kaya kung may utang ka ngayon, naku po, wag na wag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Kasi bakit? Nang dahil dito, guys, si Sir Edsel, he got over with those debts. Kaya wag kang mahiya, okay lang yan. Dumadaan tayo sa buhay na ganun. Kaya nga andito tayo ngayon para mag-recover. And that story really inspired me. Na sabi ni Coach Nar sa akin, kung kaya niya MJ, hindi naman siya matalino, hindi naman siya ganun kaano, kaya mo rin. And alam nyo guys, ano lang yung sinabi nila sa akin, hindi na kasi katulad dati yung trading, napahirapan sobra. Ngayon kasi, may cheat codes na. Are you excited to hear what I heard last year guys that really helped me jumpstart my forex trading journey? Can you comment number 5 if you are excited? Comment down number 5. I'm almost done, guys. Huwag kang mag-alala. No, huwag kang mag-alala kasi hindi mo pagsisisihan na nagstay ka until the end kasi may good news ako sa inyo. All right. So what are these cheat codes? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, few years ago, pahirapan yung breakthrough ko sa forex trading. But right now, ano yung nakatulong sa akin? Yung cheat codes. Ano yung cheat codes na to? Number 1, we already have the trading tools. Okay? We have the Hummingbird Forex Scanner and the Lumens AI-driven analysis. So what are this? Okay? Guys, heads up lang ha. Sinishare ko sa inyo kasi ito yung nakatulong sa buong community kaya kumikita sila ngayon. Pero hindi po to libre. Pag-usapan natin mamaya, huwag ka lang mag-leave kasi i-share namin sa inyo. Okay? Now, ano ba to si Hummingbird? Naalala nyo kanina na marami kang i-analyze, yung mga patterns, yung mga head and shoulders. Ang kagandahan dito guys sa Hummingbird is siya na yung mag-a-analyze para sa'yo. Kasi if you are familiar with patterns, around 70 to 85% yung possible win rate mo dyan. However, if bago ka pa lang sa forex trading, pahirapan talaga yan. Pero good thing guys, siya na yung mag-read sa'yo dito. Pag may nakita siya na katulad nito, nakikita niyo ba to double top. This is one of the patterns na sinasabi niya. Siya na din yung magbibigay sa iyo ng when to entry, when ka mag-take profit, when ka mag-stop loss. Gusto niyo ba yun? Na meron ng AI na mag-a-analyze para sa'yo. 'Di ba? Hindi na lang AI para ChatGPT or mag-edit ng picture mo. Kahit sa trades mo pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. Would that be nice? Yes naman, 'di ba? Now, another one, no? We also have the trade ideas, the Lumens AI-driven analysis. So if you are medyo wala kang time on the weekdays to trade, maganda din sa weekend using the Lumens AI-driven analysis. Kasi pag paired with crypto guys, yung currency, 24/7 siya, no? So open siya 24/7. Kaya if you're an OFW tapos weekend lang yung vacant mo, this is perfect for you. Siya na din yung magbibigay sa'yo ng trade idea, when to entry, when to exit, ganun po siya. So, mas mapapadali yung trading journey natin. But we do suggest when you start, i-backtest po muna natin. Okay? May demo trading naman. Alright? Now, another thing. Sino dito mga YouTube babies? YouTube University. Ako guilty ako dito, guys. Bakit? Dati ayoko kasing mag-enroll ng mga ganito kasi alam mo na, makulit ako eh. Gusto ko yung search ko lang, tapos aaralin ko. Sobrang dami kong napanood sa YouTube. Alam nyo nangyari sa akin? Di ko na alam kung anong gagawin. Nag-analysis paralysis na ako. Sino dyan yung nakaka-relate? Ang dami nating nire-research, ang ending. Ano na ba talaga? Ano bang totoo dito? Ano yung gagawin ko next? Nalilito na ako. You know what, guys? Ang good thing dito is from the basics to advance. Meron ka talagang videos, i-discuss kung ano to. As in, step by step. No? Meron siyang introduction to financial markets, technical analysis, meron lahat. And meron yung mga trading tools. So, from basic to advanced, hindi ka malilito. Okay? Alam mo step by step yung gagawin. Okay? So, maganda may trading hub or academy hub kasi given na. Okay? Now, another one, expert trade ideas. So, ano yung expert trade ideas? Ito yung grabe guys. Isa to sa pinaka na-experience ko na trade idea, which is si Harmony, na sobrang ganda ng performance niya. As in, so far sa mga feedback din ng nasa community, sobrang nai-enjoy nila kasi all they need to do is every time nagbibigay sila ng trade ideas, backtest nyo muna ulit para yung movement, alam nyo din. So far, nagiging profitable din sila dito. Okay? And last but not the least, no, ito yung pinaka na-amaze ako. Sino dito sa inyo dati yung concern nyo is, ay gusto ko ng offline para turuan mo talaga ako, makita kita na mag-trade at sasabayan kita. Which is very, very impossible and it can be very, very expensive. No? Mahal yan. Magpaturo ka one-on-one tapos ila-live trade niya pa. Guys, dito guys, ang maganda, okay? Anong maganda dito, okay? It's because online, almost every night talagang nagla-live trade tong ating master trader. Okay? Now, by the name of Abdallah Harfouch. Okay? Now, he's a very, very well known in the forex industry. No? Sobrang galing guys na almost every night nakikita natin nananalo at natatalo siya. He's very, very transparent. For around the time na nag-start ako guys, if I can remember, I think 3-4 na beses lang tong natalo. Grabe, ganun niya nakahimay yung strategy niya na sinishare niya na dito sa community natin. And I'll give you a video guys on how it works. Okay?
Hi tips! Kasi mag-live trade na naman at sasabayan natin yung master trader natin by the name of Abdallah Harfouch. Tara, let's see kung magkano yung kikitain natin tonight.
Oops.
Hi tips! I'm very excited kasi magla-live trade na naman at sasabayan natin yung master trader natin by the name of Abdallah Harfouch. Tara, let's see kung magkano yung kikitain natin tonight.
Who took this amazing prize? 10 Dave, 24 Peter, that's amazing. It made a very small bit down, but we are about to go for the buy. Because the volume is up and the market is bullish. So we have a good volume, we have a small wick, and it's breaking up. I'm taking the buy. I took the buy. 3 pips, guys. 5. Anything 5 pips, you can close it because we already made the profits. We already made the profits. 7 pips. I'm closing this trade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the crazy skull. That's $800. What an amazing day. What an amazing day, guys. The simplest trading possible. Who took this amazing buy, guys? Who took this amazing buy?
Grabe guys, no? And you know what guys, I have a student from Canada, her name is May, no? Grabe, na-amaze ako kasi tingnan nyo guys nag-message siya sa akin, sir, yan po laman ng VT Markets ko, US dollar po yan, right? So confirm niya talaga. Cent ba yung nagamit ko? Kasi medyo duda siya kung standard ba or cent. Matutunan niyo yan later guys may pending trades pa daw siya, no? So ang nangyari, nag-message siya sa akin, 2:35 PM na ako nakapag-reply, no? So different time zone and I usually reply 2 PM, 3 PM onwards na kasi may business din po akong inaasikaso. So ayan, so sabi niya sa akin, third day of trading, sir. So makikita nyo guys, deposit is 100. Tapos, profit niya is $2,000. So, baka lang makita nyo yung iba, zero yung ano nila, kasi baka on that day lang yung pinakita nila na result. So, on that day, eto 3 days na kasi to eh. So, understandable, makikita mo yung deposit niya. So, ayan, kita nyo from $100 naging 2,036. Now, eto, sabi ko, hello, pasensya sa delayed response. Sabi ko, yes po, standard po yan. Magkano po start mo? 100. Sabi ko, naging 1.6 na. Wow, oo nga po. Hindi yan cent USD talaga. So, sabi ko, sobrang amazing. Now, imagine this guys. March 16 lang kayo nag-start. Mag 2 months pa lang this May 16. 1.5 month na journey sa Forex from zero knowledge. Yes po. Third day of trading pa lang yan. Sabi ko, alin dun sa cheat codes yung minaximize mo? Sabi niya naman kay Abdallah po, tapos yung kay Gio. Nag-scalp po ako whenever I got the chance. Wow. Now, imagine this guys. Yung time, tingnan niyo yung time. Eto, mali ako pagka sequence. 3:28, sabi niya, made my first withdrawal. Hopefully, makarating ng maayos. Yay, congrats po. Sana daw hindi magka-aberya. Nagduda pa siya. Ayan, 4:51, dumating na sa kanya. First withdrawal niya. Alam niyo anong nangyari? 'Di ba 4:51? Nag-live trade na naman si Abdallah. Sumabay na naman siya. Panalo ulit $1,000. Sabi ko, grabe naman yan. Sumabay ka ka Abdallah ngayon. Panalo daw ulit. Grabe daw yung market from 6:30 to Abdallah. Guys, kanina grabe din yung market. Can you just imagine? This is a high-paying skill na hindi tinuro na sa atin sa school. And ito yung pwede mong i-take advantage right now. No excuses. Kahit nga si Sir Eman, he's 67 years old right now. Retiree guys. Pero kaya pa. Alam nyo, sinasabi nila dati, alam mo ba si Sir Eman, nagsimula pa yan. Sinusulat pa talaga sa MT4, ano yung next. Sinusulat pa guys kasi hindi masyadong techy. Pero that simply means if you are willing to learn, pwede talaga. Okay? Now, next. Ito din, si Miss Jedalyn, a government employee from Dubai. Imagine niyo guys, absent kasi pumuputok yung ubo. Pero trade is life. Yung isang buwan na profit, yung isang buwan na sahod, grabe 4 hours nilang na profit dito. Grabe. It's really...
So, ibig sabihin, sir,
Ito din guys, I'm just really glad to share this with you. Isa to sa millionaire trader ng community from UAE. I will not mention his name na kasi baka maraming mag-message dito. Pero guys, isa to sa minentor ng community, especially under the leadership, i-highlight ko lang si Coach Marge, no? Isa to sa millionaire trader natin. Pakinggan nyo guys, pakinggan nyo. Sobrang marami kayong matutunan dito. Very quick lang to.
$1,000 mo. Naging $25.
25,000.
25,000 po.
Pwede sabihin $25,000 in 1 month. And
Yes po.
magkano yung total profit mo right now, sir, if you don't mind? Sa ilang buwan mo po dito sa community natin?
Sa magto 2 months pa lang po ako this coming September 7 to be exact. Last Thursday, nag-withdraw po uli ako and then the total na withdraw na po sa account po is $44,000.
Wow, that's around, magkano pa yan sa Philippine peso right now? It's around 44,000. Grabe na, agad.
Nasa 2 million plus.
Ngayon eh. So it's around 2.5 million. Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako sa nag-aabang. Ito po ako. Pero
Magkano?
Parang hindi siya na-clear, sir. Grabe. Yung iba dito, guys. Okay, bawal ang screenshot. Dito, guys, pinakitahan tayo ni Sir.
ayan po ang aking withdrawals. May mga withdrawals po ako. Ayan po, $10,000, $2,000, $7,000. Withdrawals po yan.
Wow! Grabe!
Hindi po sa pagyayabang, withdrawals po. At very thankful din po ako lalo doon sa kay Miss In.
Yes.
From VT Markets.
Supportive.
Sa VT Markets. Opo, sa VT
From VT
Markets.
Yun napakaganda. Para sa inyo din po, Coach Mars, kay Coach MJ. Talagang
Sir.
helpful, talagang napaka-thankful.
I learned. So, ibig sabihin, sir, yung
Grabe
$1,000.
guys, 2 months lang, pero grabe yung nangyari. Guys, meaning, hindi siya imposible.
I learned.
Maraming success stories dito guys, Naku, kung isang araw lang hindi matatapos yung mga testimonies natin dito sa sobrang ganda. Pero diretsa ang usapan guys, paano ba magsimula? Paano ba ma-access ko yung cheat code, okay? Hindi na po para i-ano ko kayo, no? You know what? For us, no, we wanna give this for free. But hindi siya ganun eh. If bibigay lang to ng libre, katulad ko, kung siguro libre lang tong binigay sa akin ni Coach Nars, probably I wouldn't appreciate it. But did you know guys, alam na alam ko kasi dati, marami akong na-attendan ng mga events, it would cost this much. Sino dito may alam na? Kasi for sure kung may alam ka, nasa around 70K to 400K yung training dyan. Pupunta ka pa ng Manila, Makati, BGC, for 1 week tuturuan ka, sa'yo pa yung stay, kain, tapos after that, wala na. You go on your own. 'Di ba? Sobrang mahal. And of course, kasi kaya yung mayaman ang mayaman kasi sila lang yung may access dito. The perfect thing is, right now, pwede mo siyang gawing online. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa ng Manila, magbayad ka pa ng plane ticket. You can access it online. But did you know, this is not coming from us ha, sa ibang community din to. They offer $1,499. Isang bayad yan, plus monthly pa na $99. Pwede na, 'di ba? Pero how about tulungan pa natin yung lahat? We make it affordable for everyone here. And sobrang natutuwa ako guys kasi this time coming from that kind of amount, you can start. Ako sabi ko nung nakita ko to, nasa around 9,000 pesos lang guys. $159. Maa-access ko na lahat. Matatry ko na sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, go. Alam nyo, ano pa yung binayad ko? I can still remember that day. We were talking ni Coach Nars, nasa Dear Joe kami. Sabi ko, Beb, peramin mo muna ako ng credit card. Sasali muna ako dito, aaralin ko lang, isa sa uli ko din. Lahat ng yun, the Academy Hub, the Lumens AI, the Hummingbird, the expert ideas, the live session with Abdallah, you can access it for a month, guys. For only $159. Guys, kung may pinapaaral ka na kapatid, kamag-anak, I don't know. This time, I believe, deserve mo ding mag-aral ng isang panibagong bagay para mas masarap yung Pasko natin. You agree with me? Kasi nga, always ko tong sinasabi, baka mas mahal pa yung cellphone mo, baka nakapag-upgrade ka na ng iPhone 17 dyan, pero hindi ka pa naman kumikita dahil dyan, di ba? Ang good news din guys, kasi bakit? Libre na po si Hero 30. Okay? As in guys, eto Tagalog version din na talagang ma-enjoy mo. Lifetime, etong mga bonuses na to, eto 1 month mo to ma-access. Kung gusto mo mag-proceed, mas maganda. No? 2 months usually talagang magsisink in sa'yo, $99. Sila Sir Ace, grabe, yung $159, wag mong tingnan yung pwede mong ilabas. Tingnan mo yung pwedeng mabalik sa'yo, natuto ka na, kikita ka pa, at alam mo, the best part, pwede mong ituro sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And guys, bonus na, lifetime access sa Hero 30, may VIP community pa, may group coaching pa, may scalping strategy pa tayo in addition, at may mga bonus indicators pa tayo sa community that you will know eventually once you're a VIP. Okay? Guys, again, hindi po kami namimilit dito, no? Again, invest in yourself. Kasi kung until now, issue yung $159 sa'yo, I think and I believe hindi talaga to para sa lahat. Okay? I hope you understand the value of this. Kasi kahit anong bagay yan, if you see value on it na pwedeng mabalik sa'yo, pwede kang kumita ng malaki, pwede kang alam mo yun, it's a skill, it's a high paying skill na pwedeng makapag for good sa'yo, pwedeng makapag-retire ng early sa'yo, then why not? Learn it, 'di ba? Learn it. Kayong 9,000 na yan, wala akong narinig na nalugmok dahil diyan, 'di ba? I'm sorry to say this pero guys, let's think big this time. Pwedeng mabago yung buhay natin dito once you commit na mag-aral ka. Okay? Now, bonus pa again is yung Hero 30 natin. Did you know that if you just enroll in Hero 30, you will pay $99? Tapos, magbabayad ka pa ng $159. But right now, with our special offer, that's just gonna cost you how much? $159. Lahat na meron. Now, guys, eto, mga feedback sa Hero 30 natin. Ayan, second day na, more than average. Thanks for the learning. Ayan, eto guys, live trading to ni Sir Rodolfo. Imagine niyo, $159, second day pa lang nag-live trade siya, bawing-bawi na siya. Imagine that. Guys, every time mananalo kayo, hindi po kami nanghihingi mga coaches. Sa inyo na po yan, sa pamilya na po yan. And additional, may Surefire VIP signal pa. Ito pa yung pinakagusto ng nasa community natin. Grabe. Sobrang dami, sobrang overwhelming. Ayan, ito mga feedbacks ng community. Ayan. Alright? Plus, meron pang, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo guys, meron pang XAU Sniper. Alam nyo ba strategy ni Sir Ace kung bakit siya kumita ng milyon? Ito lang naman. And lifetime access to guys. Etong XAU Sniper na to. Wow. Ayan. Ito yung kay Sir Ace, 'di ba? Today's result of my scalping. Isang araw niya lang, guys. Isang araw niya lang. Sniper strategy of Coach Nars. Batch 1 kasi to si Sir Ace sa Hero 30. Isang araw lang. 356,552. Tapos sasabihan mo ako, MJ, ang mahal naman. Naku po, may mali. Pag ganun, okay lang. Feel free to leave the chance to learn right after this. Walang problema yon. At least may na-share kaming value sa'yo. But if you are someone na alam mo, this can be the next big thing in your life. Diba? Para may bago naman. Nakakabagot na magtrabaho lang ng magtrabaho. This time, trader ka na. This time, magpo-post ka na sa mga stories mo na may bago kang inaaral. That's something very, very good. Very, very alam mo yun, overwhelming and sobrang nakakatuwa pag may mga bagong bagay na ina-add ka sa buhay mo. Hindi lang gamit, but learnings talaga sa buhay. And if you are still here, ito po yung bonus ko sa inyo. No? Meron tayong mga upcoming trainings next week na libre lang po maa-access nyo. Just message the person who sent this link sa inyo na I joined the webinar. Huwag po kayong mag-message dito. Huwag po kayong mag-message sa akin. May mga naka-assign na coaches para sa inyo. If assign po kayo sa akin, okay lang. I will assist you. But please connect first with the coaches na naka-assign sa inyo. Okay? So message I joined the webinar para you can access free trainings din sa GC natin. Pero iba po ang training sa VIP po ha, yung mga talagang nag-commit na mag-enroll sa $159. Alright? So aside from that, may bonus ka pa na community and we are very, very excited, especially for the UAE community natin. We hope to see you there by October and hopefully sa Canada din. Yan yung mga tina-target at ina-eye natin guys na makapag-meet up din tayo. No? So October sa UAE, sa Dubai. Ayan. See you there guys ha. See you there. Ayan. Ito yung mga activities natin guys. Yan. Alright. So, ito yung 2-day challenge. Next week, meron tayo dito. I believe that's gonna be on 25 and 26. So, make sure na nasa GC po kayo so you can avail this for free. So, what will happen to you if you subscribe? Simple lang. Pwede kang kasama namin dito ni Senator Manny Pacquiao in nation building. Bakit siya nation building, guys? This is a skill na hindi natin inaral from elementary to college. Parang tinago ba? Which is very unfair, di ba? Kasi alam nyo ba, when I went to Singapore, yung iba doon, mga bata pa, nagtitrade na. Sa atin parang, naku, ang hirap ipaglaban ng Pilipinas. Pero, why not we make a difference this time? Wag na nating iasa sa gobyerno yung buhay natin, which is ginagawa na naman natin. This time, tayo na. No, let's make ways. can you just imagine darating yung time, yung mga Pinoy, sobrang yaman na ibang lahi na naman yung mga driver natin, ibang lahi na yung mga house help natin. Kasi guys, did you know, most of our nasa community, lalo na sa Middle East, sumasali sila dito kasi nakikita nila yung mga amo nila, yung mga boss nila, na sa sobrang yaman, ito yung ginagawa. And ang sakit lang na hindi natin nalaman to early on. Dapat nung elementary pa lang tayo, sinabi na to, nung high school pa lang, tinuro na to kasi hindi lang grades yung makukuha natin, kung hindi dollars, pera. Pero it's never too late. It's never too late to enroll yourself, to learn new things in life. That's why I really encourage you guys. Sobrang mag-e-enjoy kayo sa journey nyo dito. However, if you are that person na you still want to trade, no? Pero ayaw mong mag-enroll, ayaw mong aralin, gusto mo nang mag-skip sa process, ito yung reminder ko sa inyo.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Guys, again, 95% of the new traders fail. Why? Insufficient education and knowledge. Yung pera mo, ititrade mo ngayon para ipang-enroll mo. Naku po, very risky yan. I tell you, ang dami nang bumalik sa akin, Sir MJ, nasunog ako, kayso geto, kayso ganyan. Kasama na sa 95%. Sana hindi ikaw yun. No? Sabihin mo sa sarili mo, hindi ako yun. No? This time, you will undergo the right process. Guys, last na lang to. Success comes to those who get up and take action. You know what? I'm just really blessed, no, na few years ago nakita ko to. Kasi kung di dahil sa scam na yun, wala ako dito, guys. Wala akong kaalam-alam na may pagkakakitaan pala na ganito. Kaya napakaswerte mo kasi napunta ka sa community na legit, na hindi nagpapa-invest, hindi humihingi ng pera para palakihin yung pera mo tapos mawawala na lang bigla. The goal here is to educate ourselves para matuto tayo, para yung pera natin tayo na mismo yung magte-trade. Gusto nyo ba yun? 'Di ba? So guys, eto lang yung challenge ko. Start as soon as possible. Take action. Okay? Now, this is the best time that I will answer questions. Alright? If you have questions, please do comment sa comment section, guys, para masagot ko. Saan ko babayaran yung Elite Pack? Miss Charmaine, thank you for asking. Ito yung mga tanong na gusto ko. Yung take action, saan ko ba makukuha yung instruction? Just message Miss Charmaine yung tao na nag-send sa'yo dito or yung page na nag-send sa'yo ng link na to and ask kung sino yung naka-assign na coach sa'yo. Siya yung mag-guide, may step-by-step na instruction. You can use GoTime, Maya, debit card, credit card for the payment. Direct po sa company. Direct po sa yung magpe-pay kayo. Alright? When po sa October, I think that's gonna be second week of October. Okay? Coach, meron ba tayong trading nangyayari sa UAE? At the moment po, wala pa po tayong offline meet-up sa UAE. Most of them online. Pero, andyan yung mga millionaire traders natin. Low-key lang kasi sobrang nakatutok din sa mga charts nila. Ayan. Once nag-enroll po sa 159 USD, especially for beginners, sabi niyo po start as soon as possible. Worth it po ba siya since after a month you need to pay 99 USD? Very good question, Miss Nicole. Try it for 1 month bago mo isipin yung $99 after. But if you are into it, sige, let's just say 5,000 yan. 9,000 plus 5,000, that's gonna be 15,000, 16,000. I don't think so. It's still expensive, 'di ba? I mean, if you can do that, set mo na yung mind mo na for 2 months aaralin ko talaga. Walang problema doon. Kung kaya nga 3 months. Kung pwede nga 1 year. Kasi bakit? Again, kung kikita ka naman ng malaki dito, why not, 'di ba? Pero para hindi ka na malito, try mo muna for 1 month. Kasi most of us here started sa 1 month. Tapos na-enjoy namin, kumita kami, nag-proceed na kami. Alright? Paano po mag-start? May apps ba na need i-install? Very good question, no? Once you start, lahat po step by step guided na. From opening your broker. By the way, guys, kung may broker na kayo, walang problema yan. But we do suggest VP Markets. Narinig nyo kanina, minention ni Sir Ace. Simply because you need to find a good broker that will assist you sa mga concerns mo. Lalo na pag magwe-withdraw ka na, magde-deposit ka na, hindi yung support lang yung i-chat mo. You know na whatever happens, kung hindi ma-resolve ni support, meron tayong insider, meron tayong someone who can assist us kasi meron tayong dedicated account manager. And good thing guys, no? Good thing, get your VT Markets link from the coaches na naka-assign sa inyo. Not from me, again, from the coaches na naka-assign sa inyo. Grabe magserbisyo si VT Markets. Napakaswerte natin sa alam niya ng mga andito sa community kung paano magserbisyo yung account manager natin. Okay, step by step talaga kung anong platform, use MT5, paano siya i-download, saan siya hahanapin, paano siya i-connect, as in step by step. Okay? Yan po pa rin para mag-upgrade na one account. Yes, wala po tayong multiple accounts ito. May free trading signals din po. Yes, meron po. Na-mention ko si Surefire at meron din tayong mga meron din tayong mga trade ideas. Okay? Saan babayaran? Go ako dito. Iniisip ko lang mag-avail. 1799. Wow! Grabe, sobrang laki niyan. Again, it depends sa inyo, sir, no? Pero you can try naman $159 at least ma-start mo lang, no? Kasi medyo malaki din ata doon. Anyways, nasa sa inyo pa din 'yan. How many % ang mapupunta sa broker if you withdraw? Very, very minimal lang, guys. Very, very minimal lang. Yun din yung gusto namin with VT Markets. Pero mostly naman ng mga brokers, they don't earn from your withdrawals. They earn from the spread. Ang good thing lang with VT Markets, sobrang yung spread niya is maganda. Okay? So, yung mga ganyan, it will be discussed as well. Guys, I'm almost, limit na ako sa time ko. Baka yung iba dito natutulog na. But, eto siya. Magtatanong ka ngayon, iba pa ba si enrollment? Iba pa din si capital for trading? Yes. Okay? You can start your capital for trading ng $100 to $200. Okay? However, we do suggest, I always tell this, huwag kang mag-live agad. Okay? Kasi, matututo ka pa. Iaaralin mo pa yung basics, tsaka yung imamaster mo pa yung strategies. Doon ka muna sa demo. Live yung chart, same sa live account, pero demo muna yung money. Okay? Kasi napaka-importante nun guys, mag-practice ka muna. Okay? Para pag sa live ka na, confident ka na. No? Siguro on the next 2 weeks, 1 month, first 2 weeks, aral, backtest, second 2 weeks, dun ka na mag-live. Or if you're not confident, baka on the second month ka na mag-live. Walang problema yon. Okay? So, hindi po ba isa ang VT Markets na bansa Pinas? Hindi po. Worldwide po si VT Markets, no? And proven and tested yan. Marami dito from Canada, lahat po ng mga nasa community natin, po yan, no? So, alam nila si VT Markets. You can do your research as well, guys, no? Para alam nyo din, no? Pero wag lang kayong matakot. Naku, hindi naman din kami magsasuggest kung alam namin na ikakapahamak natin, di ba? Tested namin yan at the moment, no? Yung withdrawal mo ba straight to your bank? Yes, you can do that. Okay, GCash, Maya, walang problema. USD din ba yung profit? Hindi necessary may bank USD na bank account, okay? Automatic converted 'yan. All right? So grabe, ang dami ng mga tanong yung VT po, VT, okay? VT Markets po, alam nyo guys, sobrang strict po. Ito, very good question for Canada. Miss Chel, we have a lot of partners from Canada. We have Sir Tiger Moses, si Miss Gemma. They can help you out. Actually, napaka-strict ng regulation ng US and Canada. However, guys, same thing naman with Philippines. Pero halos lahat ng brokers ata hindi approve sa kanila kasi napaka-strict nila. Pero good thing lang is may ways and means to really start dyan. So, they are still connected with VT Markets din naman. So, walang problema yon. Coach, ano yung date punta nyo sa UAE? Guys, second week siguro probably, but we'll just update you, okay? Ang dami nang nag-aabang sa UAE ha. Don't worry, we're just gonna post it if andyan na po kami and final na. Alright. How I wish this will also work in Turkey. So interested? Yes, kasi po si Forex po, global po yan, no? So pwede mo siyang gawin. So walang limitations, wala talaga. Sa Kuwait kasi marami silang bank na hindi accept dito from PH. Pwede po 'yan, no? So wala pong problema, pwede mo namang gawin din na yung ano mo, yung address mo will be Kuwait tapos yung gamitin mo for payment is ano din, yung sa bank mo diyan. Marami din gumagamit dito from other banks, from international banks din. Alright, so ayan. Alright, okay. So I believe I answered every questions. But guys, everything that you ask, those are just technicals. Malalaman at malalaman nyo yan. Dito din sana sa Honolulu, we also have partners from the US. Marami din po sila dito. So, you will learn that eventually. So, guys, eto lang. Last. Lahat ng yon yung tanong nyo, it will all make sense when you are already enrolled. Lahat ng yon, it will make sense. Just take action. Aralin nyo lang. I-enroll mo yung sarili mo. Parang nag-enroll ka lang ng baking class, ng yoga class, or maybe a Pilates class, di ba? So, this is an additional thing for you. Kung gumagastos ka nga sa gym, I don't know what you're doing right now, this is something that can make your mental muscle na stronger, 'di ba? Pero at the same time, kikita ka. All right? So thank you so much everyone. God bless po. Ingat po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. See you po sa GC ha. See you sa GC. God bless.